Hi everybody, this is Eydie with Garden of Eydie, and I reversed my super high blood pressure, which was 178 over 115, while taking blood pressure medicine, to now 98 over 60, no pills, just plants. And that's what this channel is all about, health from head to toe. We talk about garden food and how to make it so delicious and beautiful. And we also talk about a host of other things that help you just be healthy from the inside and out. Today, we are talking to Claudia Muehlenweg with Holistic Vision. And you're saying, vision, what does that have to do with food? Well, food has to do with everything, but Claudia is the expert on how to reverse any kind of health or eye issue that you might have. So Claudia, please tell us about you.
Thank you, Eydie, for that beautiful introduction. So yes, my name is Claudia Muehlenweg. You did a great job pronouncing that. And I got my first pair of glasses at the tender age of 3 years old, and I was absolutely miserable. I was born in the 60s. Nobody else had glasses. I got bullied. I got teased. I really felt like lonely and really struggled in school with all these problems. And as I got a little older, I was like, there has to be a way. There has to be a way. And I found a book that got me started on this trajectory of improving my vision. And I actually got out of my glasses in my late teenage years.
Amazing.
And then I was back in glasses in my late 30s. I was in a really stressful marriage that ended in divorce. But then I did it again in my early 40s. And now it's been basically 20 years of not needing glasses.
Amazing. So you're saying stress made you not see well again? Did you have the same issue that you did at 3?
It was not the same. I mean, my vision was farsightedness and what's called strabismus. So my right eye had a convergent squint, meaning my right eye would turn to the nose. I struggled with depth perception, so catching balls, or I was bumping into things. Those were all problems for me. Yeah. So in my 40s, it was more what's called presbyopia, where it's a form of farsightedness, but where you can't read the small print, and people usually get reading glasses for those things. And I started wearing reading glasses, and then I realized very quickly, and we will talk about that more, why that's not a good decision.
This is just an overview. We're going to have a series of videos on all different types of eye issues and what we can do about them. What are the top eye problems that people have?
So usually there's so-called refractive errors, and that has a relationship to how the light is bent by the cornea and the lens, and that's nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. And then we have fusion problems, like I talked about. I had strabismus, where the eyes do not work together right, even if they look straight. Maybe amblyopia, lazy eye, where only one eye is working. And then obviously we have all the eye diseases, and the most common ones are cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, and glaucoma.
Wow, so we are going to cover these, and Claudia has amazing, interesting information, not just about what we can do to heal the eyes, but also the way we think and the way we feel throughout our life that does affect our eyesight. So this is going to be very, very interesting. So check back soon, and you will learn so much from Claudia. Thank you, Claudia.
Thank you.